How to trim a hedge into a square. Most people love to see a well-manicured lawn. The squared-off shrubs, the lined sidewalks and the meticulously trimmed lawn says my owners care. Wouldn't you like to know how they get a round shrub into a square form? Perhaps you would love to have an animal trimmed into your shrubs. This article provides the guidelines for this technique, but you will have to develop your own style. Things you will need: electric, gas or manual hedge trimmers, electric extension cord for electric trimmers, gas for gas trimmers. Trimming square shrubs or hedges. Examine the hedges you want to trim. Determine if the shrubs are shorter in one spot on top or fairly even. Decide whether one side is fuller than the other and simply make a mental note of each hedge's condition. Gather the tools you will need. Any of the listed trimmers are sufficient, depending on your preference. Begin on the top of the shrub or hedge. Choose a location that is the lowest point on top. Begin cutting evenly across the top until there are no tall leaves or twigs protruding from the level of the shrub or hedge. Choose a location around the shrub or hedge that is the thinnest. Begin trimming just to the top of the thinnest area all the way down the side of the shrub or hedge. You want the side to be as flat as the top of it. Move to the opposite side of the shrub or hedge. Again, begin at the thinnest area and trim the side flat like the top. Move to the back and front and repeat trimming in the thinnest area first until the side is completely flat. Step back away from the shrub or hedge and look to make sure it is square. If it isn't, simply trim until it is. Repeat these steps for each shrub or hedge you want to make square. Tips: warnings. Melt wax over any cutting that looks as though it may seep.